Here with the man, my brother. Been going crazy lately, by the way. So, with everything.
About this.
Yeah, everything here. So tank is up, running different fuel lines now because they need it to be high pressure. You said, right? High pressure. Clutch is in. Throwout bearing. You got the throwout bearing? He was just explaining to me that when we sent the car to Florida, it basically took it and rusted. So water got into the trans and just sat there because the way my car was in the back and it was like this, and they went through a bunch of storms. So, but yeah, so that's done.
They start winding, so took care of it.
So he's taking care of one more thing, and then we're pretty much almost there, right?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna start working on the AC
Okay.
and the heat.
That's gonna be exciting. You're gonna see, it'll be the first one, right? So see.
All right, transmission is in, exhaust is in, drive shaft is in, fuel tank, it's already corrected, everything is mounted. I already started it, no more fuel leaks, running good, no more noise. When it's running, no more bearing noise from the throwout bearing. And now, let's see what we're gonna do with all this. Well, I got it laid down. Just gotta figure it how to put it inside the car now. There we go. Condenser is gonna be in the rear. Compressor, we might have to put it inside the car behind the seats. And let's hope this bad boy fits behind the dash. Clears. It's right here. See? Make sure that you're not gonna hit a bump and rip my AC. And it got flow that goes through here. The fan is gonna pull it out and throw the hot air back there. Just gotta finish drilling it here and here to support it. Got the little brackets right there. This bracket's done. This one's done. And this one is done too. Just gotta drill it. And then connect the hoses inside. Finish this.